guys, just wanted to show a tutorial, quick tutorial of how I made this Hmong inspired Hmong clutch purse. I just started out with a regular wallet and then a piece of fabric, embroidery, and a needle you'll need. So first you want to thread your needle, and then you want to make sure whatever pattern you have is where you want it and you have enough fabric to go around. So basically I just want it to be like at the corner there when it folds under, and then I start with the bottom, so that tells you how far you need to fold from the bottom, and then fold it up to start sewing, just like this one. Okay, so I've kind of started already, so as you can see, and then I folded the fabric under just so I don't have to sew it. So all you do is go to the middle, or just kind of make it even there, and then you just poke it through there, and then put the string around and pull it up there, and do the same thing. Kind of make it even, poke it through, and put it around. And pull it through. So you'll just keep going around, doing the same thing, all the way around, just like this one. And then you'll have something like this. Super easy, kind of fun to do. Thanks for watching, guys.